some newspaper, tear it in a small pieces. And soak in a water, simple normal water. I will check next day. Keep it for 12 hours. After soaking overnight, then you will take a jar, mixer jar. After mixing, just take the whole paper mache and then just squeeze the extra water. Squeeze it with your hands, or you can take muslin cloth and squeeze the extra water and put it in another bowl. And then mix it. Now add some glue and mix it properly. Then add 1 spoon of corn flour, 1 or 2 spoons, and then knead it with your hands. If you feel it is dry, so you can add more Fevicol. And knead well. Yes, now our dough is ready. It's ready to use. Just see. Yes, it is ready. Now after that, you take a simple ball, apply any oil and just fix it. Now this ball is ready to keep aside for 1 or 2 days. Yes guys, now our paper mache ball is dry. Now we will take it out. Just move little bit and carefully you have to remove this. Now it is done. Now we will paint it. First we'll take white paint. Guys, we will take red acrylic paint and then we will do on the wet white, so it will give pink effect. By the mixing of white and red, we can get the pink color. Now friends, we will do another color at the back. First we will give the white coat. Now we will take the green color and we will do the outside with the mixing of the white color. You can do any color, whatever your choice. Now our color is done. Now we'll make the design. We will draw any of the design, like I'm drawing spiral, very carefully, slowly. Yes, I think this much is sufficient. Give a double line on it. Yes, it's done. Now take an earbud, dip in a color, like I'm taking a white color, and make some flowers with the dot. And take another color. I'm taking yellow color. Yes. Now our dotted design is ready. Just see. And then we can add more black color. So we will make some design in it, like any traditional design, motif you can draw. Yes. Now guys, on the same day I have made also this on a glass. I have painted it, and now we will take out and decorate it. I'll decorate it with the ping pong balls. Take a Fevicol, apply Fevicol, and paste ping pong ball on it. Let it dry. Same way, just apply first Fevicol of your choice, just paste all on it. You can also make any design, and you can use this as a organizer jewelry organizer and can give to your mother and sister.